welcome to Deep Sea Dive. In this episode we will discuss what the ctype library is used for, list the functions that it defines, and outline the plan for creating our own implementation of the ctype library. The ctype library is used to classify and map characters. By classify, we mean that we can determine the character type, i.e. is it an alphanumeric character, is it a control character, etc. And by map, we mean that we can convert between alphabetical, uppercase and lowercase. The C17 ISO standard also shows us the function prototypes and definitions of what each function should do, and we will constantly refer back to this to see what our functions should actually do when we're implementing them. There are 12 functions defined in the ctype library which are used to classify character types. So as shown here, these are things like is alpha, is digit, is punct, and we'll take a look at these in more depth in coming episodes. Additionally, there are 2 functions to convert between upper and lower case. So the actual implementation of each of these functions is left up to the implementer of the standard library, which in this case is me. And in each episode we'll focus on implementing 1 or 2 functions from the ctype library. So it'll usually be 2 related functions if we're doing 2, and 1 on its own otherwise. We'll stick to the rule that functions can only be built from primitives or from functions or definitions that have previously been defined within the series. So in this way we're going to build up our own library and can only use things that we have previously defined within the library itself to create the new library functions. And that will just be a rule that I'll apply always throughout the series. But yeah, that's everything for this one, and I'll see you in the next episode.